Hello all, this is Shubham. I am currently working as a Salesforce developer. So before some time I want to know about the Salesforce, came to know about the Salesforce developer, and for that I was looking for a good career institute, means some training institute, and after some research I came to know about the CRS Info Solution. Then luckily I registered myself for career build their Salesforce career building program, and they have arranged a very good mentor for us. He has a very good tremendous knowledge on all the Salesforce concept. What the thing that I most enjoyed in my training is that the ability of the trainer to explain the technical concept with real time scenario, so that make me clear understanding of all the topics. And later on he has started the development training, and he has started from the basic of the development to some advanced level things. And anyone who is looking for a career switch into the Salesforce, I will highly recommend it. There is no better place than CRS Info Solution. The one of the most important thing is that even after their program is over, we can connect with them for the profile makeover, for certification support. So that's it. Thank you.